If you've been holding off on selling because you are stressed out about renovations, I've got good news for you. Not every home needs a major makeover to attract buyers. Today, I'll break down exactly what you should and shouldn't do before listing your home for sale. I see this all the time. Sellers spending thousands of dollars on upgrades they don't actually need. They think they have to make their home perfect before listing. But in reality, buyers are looking for right layout, location, and price, not perfection. The truth is, some upgrades add value, but others just waste your time and money. Here's what actually helps you sell your home for faster and for top dollar. First impressions matter. A fresh coat of paint and a good landscaping will go a long way. Declutter and stage. Buyers want to picture themselves in the home. Less is more. Fix what's broken. Small repairs like leaky faucets and loose handles are easy wins. Don't overinvest. Focus on cost effective updates, not on full remodels. One of my clients was hesitant to list because they thought they needed a full kitchen renovation. Instead, we deep cleaned, added fresh paint, updated lighting, and staged the home beautifully. The result? Multiple offers under a week without extra renovation cost. Moral of the story? Smart updates equals more profit and less stress. Thinking about selling but unsure what's worth fixing? Let's talk. I'll help you focus on the right updates to maximize your home's value without unnecessary stress or costs. DM me home or call me today for a free consultation. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest concern about selling your home? Like this video? Hit like and subscribe for more real estate tips. Until next time, ciao.